I left Iran in 2012, but throughout this time I always had this connection with home. What is always in the background of me working is my mom talking to my aunts, my family back home, and that's usually what I'm listening to when I'm working. My name is Roksana Pirouzmand. We are in my home studio in Sherman Oaks, California. Clay has been like a more recent material that I've been discovering. Each different stages of it has symbolic meanings. When it's in not fire form, like the clay itself, it has that fragility to it. I've been interested in playing around with all these stages of clay and see what are its potential and how I can have my idea spoken through this material.
Okay.
Let me know if I'm hurting you.
No. Breathe, Roksana. You need to breathe.
It's hard. I grew up Zoroastrian. Praying has been growing up. That was something that I was surrendered by. I've been thinking about the gesture of praying that could have other meanings like praying, begging, that surrender form. Your hand is down, your head is down. That gesture to me can have few different layers to it that people can relate to it in a different way. Prayer is a social thing. You do it together. With recent things happening in Iran, in a way we were begging from this thing that we didn't know who to ask for to help. But there is this desperate moment of we need help. Everyone was in this form of begging from other countries, from politicians, that praying then kind of converted to this like begging. At the end, it was like basically this act of praying to me and like this act of like asking whether it is a human being or some energy, something beyond my possible understanding, that I really hope that things will go in a better place.